In this video I will show you the Issues section. The Issues section contains of the following submenu items. We show open issues, non-conformities, accepted risks and closed risks. First of all, we go to the Open Issues section. Here you see an overview of all issues that are currently open. And open means that they were detected in the last scan. They haven't been resolved and they haven't been accepted yet. The risks are sorted from critical to informational, and there are various possibilities to filter and sort this overview. What you also see on this page is an option to accept one or more issues. Simply click on the checkboxes of the issues you want to accept. When you click on the button, you get a pop-up that asks you to motivate why you want to accept the issue, and you can accept the issue at 12 months maximum. When I try to put in 13 months, you see that the system doesn't accept the amount of 13 because auditors expect clients to periodically reevaluate the acceptance of issues, and we learned that it's once a year sort of. So that's why you can accept for 12 months maximum. Also, you're able to share an issue. We're not very fond of it, but we learned that a lot of partners needed this option. So you can share one or more issues via email, and we log to which email addresses and on what time the issues were shared in the audit trail. I will show you in a few minutes. Also, it's possible to rescan an issue. When you solve an issue now, you don't have to wait to the next morning when the Guardian360 scanning has been finished. You can scan the issue right away. By clicking on this button, you get a screen to confirm that you want to rescan. And depending on the scan queue and how busy the scanners are, the scanning will be performed right away or within a couple of minutes. The informational issues are by default hidden. You can show them by clicking on this button, and they will be added to the bottom of the list. Because of the pagination, it's on page 3 for this customer. Now, when we, for example, open an issue, you can see the issue details. We have a management summary with a description and a solution. You also can see which scanner found the issue, on which date for the first time, and also on the last time. What's the name of the scan object, the IPv4 address, port number, protocol, and the service. And the information in this box varies per scanner and per scan object. So you get all relevant data in one place. We provide you with some technical details. Sometimes it's very short, sometimes it's very extensive, based on the issue and based on the way to solve the issue. We also show if an issue is a non-conformity to a norm or regulation. This issue is a deviation from a lot of standards and norms. Here you can see the ISO 27001, for example. The issue is a deviation from paragraph 12.5.1 and also 14.2.2 and 0.3. And now you can look at your own ISO 27001 certification and decide how to deal with this issue. On the top audit trail, we show that we detected the issue on a daily basis, but also all accepting and releasing of the issue, rescanning, and also the sharing and the commenting on an issue is shown in this audit trail. So you have in one place all information about how an organization dealt with an issue. And the buttons over here work the same as on the overview page, so I won't explain them any further. The accepted risks and the closed risk page work somewhat the same. The accepted risks filter the issues that were accepted, and all accepted risks are transferred from the open issue page to the accepted risk page. And when an issue is solved or we cannot detect it anymore, then it's moved to the closed issues section. Of course, the audit trail and all information is still in place over there. Last thing I want to show you is the nonconformity section, where it's a nonconformity shown from the ISO 27001 2017 version. And on this overview page, you can see that there were 7 nonconformities with a total of 204 issues that lead to that nonconformity. So in this way, you can solve each nonconformity one by one, simply by clicking on the amount, and you will be transferred to an overview page with issues that lead to that specific nonconformity. And here you can choose to either solve the issue or accept the issue or share the issue and become more compliant to the norm. When you have any questions, please feel free to contact Guardian360 support or your distributor.